Welcome back, you're watching Storyboard. Axis Bank is all set to release its new TVC. Starring actor Deepika Padukone, the campaign is about its multi-social payment solution, PingPay, that allows customers to transfer funds using social networking sites and apps like WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Here's an exclusive preview of that.
दोस्तों के बीच जब पैसा हाथ बदलता है तो कभी चुपचाप से नहीं बदलता।
रख ले तू भी क्या याद करेगा।
मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता, पर WhatsApp किया तो it's okay.
This ad and the app itself begins to position the bank as a lot more youthful and future ready, that it is technologically savvy, understands the customer's needs, and is able to make smart use of technology to be able to help the customers through their banking needs.
उसका इतना ही होता है।
दोस्त जब भी पे करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ से करते हैं, इसलिए एक्सिस बैंक पिंगपे। अब बिना बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल्स जाने अपने फेसबुक, ट्विटर और व्हाट्सएप अकाउंट से कॉन्टैक्ट्स को पे करो और जो से करना है से करो। कभी कभी वॉलेट भूलती हूँ लेकिन हिसाब नहीं। थैंक यू। पिंगपे, द मल्टी सोशल पेमेंट ऐप फ्रॉम एक्सिस बैंक। बढ़ती का नाम सिंधी।
That TVC will break on Tuesday. Now we're also putting up the latest campaign from Flipkart. The e-commerce giant has recently refreshed its logo and has a new brand film looking to create an emotional bond with consumers. We like the ad. It's simple, heartfelt, and dare I say, a good break from the discount-like tactical work we see from e-commerce companies. Take a look.
विश एक बगीचा है, के भी सुब्रमण्यम साहब का बगीचा। उनकी विश थी कि वो रिटायरमेंट के बाद भी कुछ करते रहें। उन्होंने टूल्स मंगाए और अपनी ख्वाहिशों के बीज जमीन में बो दिए। कुदरत ने उन्हें मीठे फल दिए। कुछ उन्होंने खुद रखे और कुछ अपनी बहन गायत्री को बेंगलोर भिजवा दिए। अब सुब्बू अन्ना कद्दू भेजते तो सांभर बनाते, ऑरेंजेस है तो केक हो जाए।
Brand plays a very big role, and going forward it will increase even more. I think in the mobile world people will have a favorite shopping app, and that will mostly be driven by what they believe about the brand, their comfort level, the trust, reliability, etc. So discounts is something that occasional promotional events, etc. But it's only part of value proposition. The range of selection, quality of service, reliability, customer experience policies, our reach across India, all of them are very important factors, and all of those get encapsulated as a particular type of brand. For us, it's absolutely extremely important that we continue to deliver on the promise of trust as well as communicate in a certain way, so that our brand stands for that. And whenever consumers think of a brand that can trust in the e-commerce space, they think of Flipkart. And given that we are an online player without a physical shop, physical presence, so brand in many ways is our name and face for consumers. So what they think of the brand is very important driver in which player they end up choosing for their shopping requirements.
जो दूर बैठे भाई के सोए जुनून को जगाती है। विश दिल की आवाज है। विश आजादी है। विश नन्ही आंखों का ख्वाब है। विश तो बस एक शुरुआत है। किसी को विश करने में मजा आता है और हमें उन्हें पूरा करने में। फ्लिपकार्ट, अब हर विश होगी पूरी।
So good job there, Flipkart, and of course Lowlintas. Before we go, Advertising Agencies Association of India, or AAASFI, has announced a workshop on negotiating skills. Designed for senior advertising industry professionals, the workshop will be held at Marathon FutureX in Mumbai on 26 June. So all those who are missing out all the action and celebrations at the Cannes Lions, do try and make it for this. With that, it's a wrap from us. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.